Xibfwb is a leader chosen by God to guide our UCLE church and share the message with our Hmong community, and is truly a remarkable individual. With a deep sense of purpose and divine calling, he has been entrusted with the important task of spreading the good news and the Holy Spirit among the Hmong people. His faithfulness to his calling is truly inspiring. He is the first Hmong to receive the Holy Spirit. Through that, the blessings flow through me, allowing me to receive the Holy Spirit. And that is the evidence of God's existence in my life. And I'm truly blessed to receive that opportunity. Through Xibfwb's trials and tribulations, his faith remained strong till today. I am inspired to have a relationship with God like Xibfwb. May he continues to flourish in wisdom, knowledge, blessings, and in the love of God. May God bless him.